Hey guys, it's Jaggy, and today I'm just gonna do a quick little hair video. I don't know if you can hear the fan's on because it's a little warm in here. But yeah, so if you hear a fan's on. Okay, so I just wanted to do a little hair video to showing you guys how I trim my ends just to kind of keep my hair healthier while I'm trying to grow it out, because this is still a pixie. I'm growing out a pixie cut I had like last year. So I have like a ton of layers in my hair that are all growing out. So this is how I personally keep my hair healthier and, you know, soft. Trust me, there is a big difference after you trim it, how it feels so much softer. So yeah, let's get into this. Okay, so it is so easy. What I do is I usually start with the longer hair, and usually I do this like in the bathroom over the sink so hair's not getting all over me, but for the sake of this video it's just gonna get everywhere, I guess. So I take the longer pieces and I just trim the very ends. Did you even see that? Let's do it again. I trim the very ends. I don't even like trim them. Here, I need to bring you down a little. I don't even like trim them, like make sure they're straight. I could care less, because if you know, hair does not grow evenly, so it doesn't have to be perfect, y'all. You're just trimming the very, 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 very ends. I take a little chunk, trim the very end, move on to the next, and I just do that throughout my whole head, all the way around. And I usually do this once or twice a month, just to keep my hair soft and healthy, and because I don't want to go get an inch cut off of my hair when I'm trying to grow it out, because your hair doesn't grow that fast. So this is just what I do, because I don't want to go to a hairdresser every month and get it cut. So I do it myself. I do a lot of stuff myself, guys. I dye my own hair, trim my own hair. The only thing I don't do is like cut my hair, because I've tried that before and it did not turn out well. So just take the longer pieces and just trim off the very tips. Ow! Whacked my elbow on a eyeshadow palette I have sitting here. I just wing it in the back. Like, I can't see the back, and I'm not gonna stand there with a mirror, so I really just wing it. I try to split my hair and do the best I can, but you know, I can't do it all. And then I just go, you know, to the next longest, and I just trim the ends. And I just do it like in layers. I'm getting hair all over me, but it's alright. shake it out after. Yeah. But on the top layers, I do it a little differently because they are so short. I don't want to like just chop it straight across because it always looks a little weird doing it that way. So I will show you how I trim. It's crazy the difference just doing this makes in your hair. You will feel it right away. Like, it's not like, oh, the next time you wash your hair, you'll see it's softer. No, you will feel it immediately. It's crazy. I can already feel like, oh, it's so much softer. I haven't even got to all the layers yet. So that is what I do, and now I will show you when it comes to like my short little bangs. I just kind of trim it this way, cut up, that way it's like more like fringy. Don't cut it straight across because then it just looks silly. So you just kind of take it like this, and I just cut up at angles. Trying to get it, and I just do that with the shorter layers just so it's more fringy, not so straight across, because the layers look silly when they are all just cut straight across. You want to fringe them and cut them in different ways. Wow, that was a big chunk. Whoops. Oh well, it's all good. It's just so much softer. Like, you're not gonna obviously get like cut every single split end, but you cut most of them, and that alone helps your hair. You don't have to get them all. And in the back, I just kind of do my best. I don't know if you can even see that it's softer as well as less frizzy. It's crazy. So yeah, this is how I just try to keep my hair healthy but still, you know, growing. I'm trying to grow it out. Want longer hair. Try not to cut it this time. Every time my hair gets long enough, I'm like, I need to chop my hair. And yeah, that's just crazy. I need to learn to leave my hair alone. Let it grow out. I don't have to cut it short all the time. I think I let go of long hair, but I get bored of my hair so easily that I'm like, I need to dye it a funky color. I need to cut it shorter. Yeah. That's just how I am. And sometimes I'll take like the back like this, and I will just, hello, I have a mirror in front of me. Do it like this so I can kind of see better what I'm doing. And yeah, so that is how I trim my hair when I am trying to grow it out. Sometimes I'll take it like this and I'll just go like this along. You have to make sure it's nice and tight. Fold it over and just go like this, and it kind of just cuts all those frizzies and makes your hair look smoother. So sometimes I do that as well. Depends how many like how frizzy my hair really looks in here, you know? If it looks really frizzy, I do that. If it doesn't, like it kind of doesn't right now, but hey, do it just to show you what I do, and it just helps make your hair smoother. Especially if you're like me. I use heat every single day. Well, not every single day, but every time I wash, every single day, because even on days where I don't wash my hair, I still have to fix it, straighten it, because you know, you sleep on your hair and your hair does funky stuff. So yeah, so I know this was a really short video, but I mean, it is so super simple to do, so I mean, it's not going to be a long video showing you how to do this, but it's very, very helpful when you want to grow out your hair and you don't, or you just really don't want to pay somebody to cut it. But yeah, it makes it a tremendous difference. You'll see if you try this, you'll see how much of a difference it really makes. But yep, so that is it for this video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget, before you leave, subscribe. I do lots of different kinds of videos that pertain to beauty. Well, mostly tutorials, some reviews. Sometimes I do hair videos. I like to mix it up now and then. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to become part of the hashtag Notification Nation. Be alerted as soon as my videos go up. So that is it for this video. I hope it helps you like it has helped me. And I also hope that you have a wonderful day. Bye.